The new graduate program has three main goals. It's first to develop future leaders for our sales organization. We want to recruit and bring in and rotate new engineers with sales skills so that they can learn more about FARO and have a deeper dive into what we do and how we do it. The third goal is really to market FARO as a diverse and innovative employer of choice.
This is our second year of the program. We have them go through 3 rotations throughout a 10-month period.
They do a field applications engineering rotation, they do an account manager rotation, and then a product marketing rotation.
So they come in to us very green, and we instill in them our DNA, if you will.
Our goal was to have 80% retention after the conclusion of the program, and we're really excited because we've blown past that goal. We have 87% retention.
And then to see how much that they grew, each and every one of them through the year, was really just incredible.
You know, there's a lot of rewards that comes from this job, but I don't think any of them come close to what this does for me personally.
My name is Nicholas Elsesser. I went to Texas Tech University in Lubbock, Texas, and I went for mechanical engineering.
My name is Jamison Dugan. I went to the College of New Jersey, where I studied mechanical engineering.
My name is Mpo Cho. I went to UCF and I studied mechanical engineering.
Hi, my name is Luis Fuentes. I went to the City College of New York. I graduated from the Grove School of Engineering in mechanical engineering with a minor in physics.
What I really hope to gain from this experience is going to different locations, trying out different cities, different locations, find out where I want to be at, and also try different fields of work.
As a mechanical engineer, I wanted to be involved in really cool high-tech projects, and just be involved in exciting and futuristic technology.
I'm still not very sure what I want to do in life, so I think it's a great experience just to get a little bit more understanding of what each role does.
I hope to learn how I can be able to translate what the value of a product is into people who will be able to expedite their process and essentially advance society.
The best part about this program was the ability to see exactly what I liked in each position and which one I wanted the most. I got to be a part of beta testing with one of our newly released products, and I found out that I wanted to be an FAE full-time, and now here I am because I got to experience everything.
I love the opportunity that FARO gave me. The family culture, just coming in and seeing smiling faces, just knowing that people know me and I know them and we have a good relationship in this. I love it, yeah.
Being a mechanical engineer, I tend to be a little bit more introverted, thoughtful, and not necessarily a people person. But this has really taught me to enjoy being out, meeting customers, having conversations, and learning a bunch of new ways of problem solving.
It really gave me insight into what a FAE does, what a PM does, and what a AM does. I learned how to communicate effectively with customers.
I've really enjoyed being able to work through the different segments of the company, and moving on to the next role, knowing what I knew from the previous. It really gave me, I think, a unique outlook on what I was doing.
Just the ability to kind of take it all in, learn from as many different people you can, and just to really humble yourself with it is definitely kind of what I think defines my time here with FARO.